Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making, I don't know if I would call this a recipe, but we are making cinnamon ornaments. This is not something to eat. I'm warning you right now because it has far too much cinnamon and it is too dense and it doesn't taste good. Don't eat it, but they smell amazing. And these are a way to make homemade ornaments in case you want to do that for your tree, for your Christmas tree. So just in time for Christmas, we are making homemade cinnamon ornaments. Let's get started. Only 2 ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of applesauce and 1.5 cups or 200 grams of ground cinnamon. In a medium bowl, stir together applesauce and most of the cinnamon. Leave a few tablespoons aside. Then, on a piece of parchment paper, sprinkle with cinnamon to keep it from sticking and roll out the thick cinnamon dough. Use cookie cutters to cut out pretty shapes, anything you want. Stars, trees, snowmen, gingerbread men, or even just circles. They can be as close together as you want. Remove the excess dough between the forms. Using a skewer, poke small holes into the ornaments. Make sure they aren't too close to the edges. Bake at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours. Once they are completely dried, use a needle threader to help push string or ribbon through the hole you made. Tie the string together. These are really fun. It's a great activity to do with kids, and they make the whole house smell like cinnamon. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also at Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.